If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Migros Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Migros Bank online banking platform or mobile app using your credentials. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to the transfers section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find pending transfers. Look for an option labeled pending transfers or scheduled payments. This will display all transfers that are currently awaiting processing. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details and options available for the transaction. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Choose the option to cancel the transfer. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Migros Bank customer support for assistance.